Hey guys, so today is Zepto 4th year anniversary. So I got this Zepto birthday gift box along with this cable at ₹1. So let's see how it is. So let us unbox. Oh my god, so excited. Okay, first thing we have here is Ultra Gold Ayurvedic Cool Oil packets. Okay, that is nice. Next we have this Chach buttermilk. This ₹5 Teddy Made which you hardly get in Bangalore anywhere. Next is this Dermicool soap. This is good. Lens Clean Wipe as always. This is Ashirwad Pure Cow Ghee. Then we have Jaggery. Okay, nice. What is this? This is Mira shampoo for a dandruff hair. Next we have a pizza oregano. This is nice. Okay, this was the gift box. I like this and this. Okay, next we have this USB cable. Let's check how the quality is. Super cable. Oh, yeah. Feels premium. Let's open this. Okay, yeah, it's good quality. Like, yeah, 5 ampere. Okay, it's worth like you can pay 200. So this was the Zepto gift. I think it's good. Yeah.